will need pencils. You might have already noticed that pencils have these marks on them with letters and numbers. Letters are H and B. B stands for black, H stands for hard. And the numbers, how hard or hard black the pencil is. The middle point is HB. This is the pencil most of us use in elementary schools. While for drawing, the best choice is 2B or 3B for lines and 6 or 7B for shading. You should have an eraser and a sharpener. About the paper, prepare A4 sized office paper. About the surface, draw on your desk or grab a hard-covered book. You can also buy a lab desk in art stores. You will need a permanent marker and a washable marker. There's a final thing you will need, and you will be a little surprised. You will need a picture frame. Picture frame like this. A cheap one will make it. I bought this in Jysk for €2.50. We are going to make an artist's window to help you to see differently. Alternative to the picture frame is this plastic file pocket, but I really recommend you to get it because it will be really good help for you also in the future. See you in the next video.